Hi friends and family, this is Sahara Bites. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Add some salt to boiling water and add some pasta. Add some oil to a separate pan and then add some garlic. Some onions and some mushrooms. Of course, if you don't like mushrooms, you could take it out. Stir it around. As you can see, add the tomato paste. Add a bit of salt and pepper, some chili flakes, again, to your taste and to your liking. A bit of brown sugar, because I'm sweet and spicy. Go ahead and add your heavy cream. In a separate pan, add some mushrooms. Add the pasta to the sauce. Sprinkle some red Leicester, mozzarella, parmesan, cheese of your choice. Let it cook down for a bit until the sauce starts to thicken. As you can see, I just wanted to play around a little bit, so I had some crispy onions and some mushroom. Decided to jazz up the plate. Excuse the little sauce spill on the side. Add a bit of basil for decoration, style, colour, flavour, of course. Yes, the meal is done. Let me pick it up for you. Go ahead. Yes. Tasty, if I do say so myself. This is creamy pasta with Sahara Bites.